broken Miele toy washing machine. I got some white and some trousers to do. So I might put it in a drum. Now I close the door, and what it's doing, it's not turning on at all, and it's not washing at all. And you can't press anything because it's not working. I press everything, wash or water in or water and water out, or if I drain it and spin because it's not working. And now it'll sit and do nothing. And I can't do it without tumble when I'll tumble it. When the crank thing, because I don't want that to happen. It'll break it. It'll sit there and do nothing. Now I need to drain this. Remove the camera. And there's still water in it, so I have to drain it. Not very good. Very bad. All the water is draining out, you see. The water is dripping out, but it's dripping water. And you can't hear the sound, and it does not spin. What fun. For all that. It won't spin or won't turn. So what I do, I'll just open it. It's not working. And it's come very red. Not good. Not very nice. Won't spin or anything. Dead.